Welcome! My YouTube channel. I want coloring my book pages. Don't forget watch video until the end. Don't forget like, comment, share, and subscribe. Happy watching my video. Tanzania is home to the legendary Great Migration of roughly 2 million wildebeest, zebra, and gazelle moving through the Serengeti ecosystem. With an estimated 4 million wild animals, Tanzania is home to the continent's largest populations of many safari species, such as lions. The Big Five, the 5 most common animals to see on an African safari, are leopards, elephants, buffalo, rhinos, and lions. A safari is any expedition in which people search for animals in their natural environments. On your safari, you might see several mammals such as giraffes and zebra. Africa's Big Five animals are lions, leopards, elephants, rhinoceroses, black and white, and African buffalo, also known as the Cape buffalo. Often revered as the must-see animals on any African safari, the name Big Five actually has more sinister origin. What are safari animals? Safari animals are animals that thrive in grasslands or savannas. These animals include the elephant, the giraffe, the zebra, the lion, the hippopotamus, the rhinoceros, the impala and the leopard. A safari is an overland journey to observe wild animals, especially in Southeast Africa. The so-called Big Five game animals of Africa, lion, leopard, rhinoceros, elephant, and Cape buffalo, particularly form an important part of the safari.